Hey friends, happy start of a new week. Hope you're having a good one. So today we're doing an unboxing, but before I share what we're unboxing, some of you may or may not know that I am a health and wellness professional, and besides being a fitness trainer and a nutrition coach, I was aligned with a health and wellness company. So I have moved on from that company. I had a pleasant experience, no complaints, but I've moved on to a company that's a little more aligned with me, with my personality and what I want to do going forward. So the company's still in wellness, health and wellness, but it also is also beauty, which is another one of my loves is beauty, right? Anyone who knows me personally, like closely, you know I love all things beauty. So, and I think beauty is from the inside out, which is why I'm in wellness and fitness, because I believe, although you got to do all the things, to look good on the outside, you also got to do all the things to look, to feel good, and for your insides to look good as well. So that's why I have moved on. So the company is Farmasi, right? And I've been like just kind of sharing a little bit in my stories, dropping a few little hints, that I'm now a beauty influencer with Farmasi. So I just got my starter kit and I want to share it with you. So let's open it up, see what's in the starter kit. Now I'm expecting some other products very soon, which of course I'm going to share with you guys, of course. But Farmasi is a company that has been around for over 70 years. So if you never heard of it, that's okay. It's been around for 70 years. It is the number one network marketing in Turkey. So, and they are all things beauty and wellness. They have makeup, they have skincare, they have body care, they have nutraceuticals. So all things wellness, right? So I got my kit here. So it's it's not a lot, but when I get the rest of my products, so here it is. Welcome to your new journey. So I am now a beauty influencer with them, and I'm so happy. I used to be with a company previously, many years ago. I was with another company that was all beauty, and I loved that company. I was there for quite a while, met some good people, sold some products, made some money, all that good stuff. But I moved on from that company as well. I had a good experience there as well. But, I want to say the things that I cared about, like things like ingredients and things that I started to care about, was not so much aligned with the company I was with. So I wanted to move on. I'm someone now that I love clean products. I care about what goes on my skin, both body and facial. I care about it. I want to make sure it's good ingredients, because that affects your, believe it or not, we have pores and things like that. And so just like the environment, we take in toxins from the environment, our products need to be clean as well. And that's one thing about this company that I'm now with, Farmasi. They are clean products. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, look how pretty, look how pretty. It starts with you. So let's see. So inside here are samples. The Age Reverse Instant Perfecting Cream. Here's a sample of they have hair care as well. I don't think I mentioned that. So there's some samples of the hair care product. So I look forward to trying that. It's the hair conditioner and the shampoo. Also they have here, this is the tea tree series, and this is the face wash and face cream face wash. They also have a calendula series. So also the face wash and the face cream. And here's the hair care reviving shampoo and hair mask. And here's the Aqua series. Also same thing. We got some gel cleanser, boosting drops, hydrating cream, and eye cream. I love a good skincare routine. I'm a skincare girl routine. I've had a skincare routine since I was a teenager, right? I always have a routine. I always have products that, you know, keep my skin looking good. And so I look forward to trying this, the Aqua series. So here's some more stuff. So more leave-in conditioner or foundation. This is the makeup part of it. And this, oh, this paprika balsam massage gel. I heard good things about this. I'm looking forward to trying this because they have, here's the chestnut balsam, but this paprika, you can add this, you know, to your midsection. If you're somebody who works out, you can add this to your midsection and then put on your waist trainer, and it helps with eliminating some water from your midsection, right? Sometimes we hold water in our midsection, so you know it has chili and paprika in it. So looking forward to that. And what else we got in here? We got some more from foundation. We'll try the foundation. I wear makeup, you know, those of you who wear makeup, you're gonna love that stuff. And these cute little bags, look how cute, little gift bags, adorable. I plan on using these, you know, to give gifts to my customers. Oh, here's some elixir. This is the Dr. C Tuna elixir. Now, Dr. C Tuna was the original founder of the company in 1929, I believe. So like I said, this company been around for 73 years, and he was a doctor, of course, Dr. Tuna. He was a doctor, and he developed, you know, these products. Of course, you know, the products have evolved. He's now since passed, and now his grandchildren that are Gen Zs, right, 30s and 31 and 27, they are the owners of the company, and they are leading this company like no other. So I'm really excited about being a part of this company. Like I said, I'm now a beauty influencer, and I plan to combine this wellness things with my fitness and nutrition company. And so those of you who know, I'm Mary Solis Health and Wellness, and so I plan to merge the two, because again, beauty is from the inside out. Right? And so I'm looking forward. So let me know if you'd like, if you'd like to know. I'm looking for, people who want to align with me, who are interested in being beauty influencers. No experience necessary, but all you got to do is love. You got to love, feeling good, looking good. That's one thing. You got to love that. You got to love, you maybe being someone who cares about this. So if you want to align with me, you're interested in taking a look at Farmasi as well, just taking a look, no commitments. You need some extra income, per month. I'm not saying, you could do this in addition to your 9 to 5, on the side, on the weekends. However, wellness is something that is a big industry right now. So if you understand that, if you understand how wellness is a big industry, you love beauty and wellness, and you'd like to make some extra income, you'd like to be a beauty influencer, that sounds so cool. But for real, folks, if you'd like to join me, hit me up, drop comments, and I'll get you the information as soon as possible. So stay tuned for the next video, where I'm going to share some of the actual products, the actual live products, full bottle products with you guys. And if anything I mentioned, anything I showed today, you'd like a sample of, you can hit me up. I'll send you a sample. That's what these things are samples to give out. All right.